the truth. There's a new way to play this crypto game, a way that flips the script on how you trade, and once you see it, you'll never look at trading the same way again. If you've been grinding, stuck in this cycle of wins and losses, thinking there's something you've been missing, you're right. And today I'm going to show you exactly what the missing piece is, but here's the truth. It's not your fault. The way most people trade is broken, and there's a smarter way to play this game. And here's where it gets crazy. I will show you how to tap into strategies from traders already dominating this market, mirror their trades, ride the momentum, all while your funds stay exactly where they belong in your wallet. This isn't another exchange, it's a new way to trade, and by the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to use it. Let's not waste any more time. Smash the like, subscribe, and notification bell. SuperX is a Hyperliquid trading platform where we're able to trade perpetuals like here. We're easily able to trade Bitcoin, all of the top coins, even Asta, that was the top coin for the last 24 hours. We're able to already trade it right now. Plus, they have features like tracking the smartest money in the market right now, even having the option to counter trade some of these traders who are extremely not profitable and losing money. So there's so many ways to take advantage of SuperX in this forever changing crypto market. So if you do enjoy today's video, check out the link in the video description where you get full free access to SuperX. Let's begin and take a quick look at the perpetuals trading platform, and then we'll move into all the other features that I do want to show you. So here, easily able to trade into Asta. We can see we can choose if we want to have leverage, cross, or isolated. We can turn that off, or we could have up to a maximum of 3% on this particular trade. Obviously, all the normal market orders, limit orders, stop limit orders, all those types of things, what you can expect on any normal exchange. Plus, we do have at the bottom here the top traders section. I really like this. We're able to track some of the top traders who have made money on Asta, made millions and millions of dollars. And as I'll show you later on in the video, we're able to track those traders, dive much deeper into all of their trades, see how profitable they are. If you potentially wanted to, you can set up copy trading, even run your own back testing strategy where you don't use any money and you just run a copy trade, or even a counter trade where you might find a trader that's losing a lot of money. You can actually set up counter trading. So there's a lot of ways to take advantage of this new features all from SuperX. You can even see here that I have a current trading competition with a $30,000 prize pool. So we could actually join that right now if we wanted to. We'll here jump over to the page and see it starts in just over 2 hours. So as soon as this video is live, you'll see that the Trading Royale will be live with this current prize pool. You can actually see all of the prize pool breakdowns. And at the bottom here, we have all the important information like the competition rules. So here we can see everything about overall trading platform. And then we can now move into, we click here on SuperX. It's going to take us back to this original trader screen. We're able to see all the smart money. So this profit factor is a really important number, but also counter trade. So we might want to find a super non-profitable trader to find, see all-time ROE, return on equity, down 68%. So let's say we wanted to dive further into this trader. We'll click on his address. Now we'll see his current account worth $2,000. He was actually nearly up to $40,000. Now we can see currently down 85%, maximum drawdown 92%, which is very bad. Now we can see his recent P&Ls, so losing money on a Bitcoin short, a lot of money on a Hype long, a Pengu long, currently in one open position. So you can see currently down $200 on a Bitcoin short. Plus, we can even run a little back test. So let's say we wanted to copy this particular trader. We could set it up with a particular copying size, a starting balance, so let's say $1,000. Now we could actually run a back test to see, okay, if we were to copy trade this trader, but here just using completely fake money, how would we actually do? Once the back test is potentially successful, then we could actually set it up for real. Tracking a trader is also a really powerful tool because a lot of times I might not want to exactly just copy trade or counter trade, but I do want to be notified when some particular trader is entering. So we could actually setting up to track all the trades that come through, and also sending myself a Telegram notification is a really great way because it could pop up on my phone or also on my desktop app. So it's an extra added way to be getting top information of people that are taking trades, top whales, or even people that you might want to counter trade in the market. One of the most important features about SuperX is you hold your own balance in a completely separate wallet. So how it's all set up is it's now connected to my Telegram account. So here we're able to see my wallet, completely decentralized wallet owned by me. So I can deposit money into this account, and then it will then show up here on SuperX. So that's the real benefit that SuperX offers. It's different to a lot of other trading platforms. You hold your own funds in your own wallet. You're basically not depositing them on the exchange. And then from there, let's say we wanted to copy trade or counter trade this trader. We could click on copy trade and set that all up. So we could use copy trade with our particular wallet. We could change the tag for this trader, set up our copy size. Let's say we only wanted to enter with less of a copy size. So let's say 0.25 or 0.5. Let's use 0.5 as an example. That would mean if he enters for 5 Solana, we would enter for half that size, or 2.5 Solana. There's all these different things as well. Copy, you can skip copy if the trade size is too low. There's all these other advanced settings as well. Maximum open position. So this is really how to filter and to even optimize your overall copy trading settings. But most importantly, counter trading as well. So you could set up counter trading. This trader takes a long. I want to be taking a short. As we've seen, this trader made it to a $40,000 position and has now lost his money. That means over time, he's losing money. So I want to counter trade. So here, as we saw before, this trader's currently in a $40,000 Bitcoin short. Well, I probably want to go long on Bitcoin to actually counter trade that trader. So there's lots of ways to run this back test. As you saw, you can set up counter trading and it has all the exact same settings. So real benefit to SuperX and a real difference. Not a lot of platforms are offering counter trading as well, which I would probably say is the bigger benefit, because you would know there's probably easier to find losing traders than it is winning traders. So setting up that counter trading to me seems like a really, really cool benefit. We'll also have this other tab up the top here. We can see KOLs. So once we click on that, we're basically seeing the top KOL leaderboard list. And currently right here, we can see there's 16 traders. So we can track 16 traders. And here, if we wanted to, we could click on this X and it would take us over to their X account. You can even see a lot of information like their last trade, their profit and loss, so the total profit and loss, ROE, which is very important. So return on equity, how much money they're making. Overall, looks like, let's have a look at this guy. We could jump in further, see some information. Do like to see consistently making those upticks and small little downticks. You don't want to see massive up, massive down. You just want to see that nice sliding counter up and to the right. Here, easy to track all of their trades, all of their open trades, and even run a back test as well. So there we have it for SuperX, this Hyperliquid perpetual trading platform that's also offering copy trading, counter trading. Don't forget to check out the link in the video description for SuperX to get free access to all of these features. And if you have enjoyed today's video, smash the like and subscribe, because I'll see you in the next one.